Welcome to Kindergarten Writing Today. Today for writing, we're going to be think and talk about our message. When we're writing our message today, I'm going to be using some words around the classroom to help me. And if I can't find them around the classroom, I might say a word slowly and write what I hear. Let's get started. Good morning, Kindergarten, and welcome to Writing Today. Today, after watching the video, I've decided to write about sharks, and the purpose of my writing today is to inform the audience. That means I'm going to write some factual information about sharks. So I found some pictures, Kindergarten, that I'm going to use to help me with my writing today. And you can see from the picture that a shark is a very large fish, and it's probably the largest fish in the sea. This picture is a little bit scary because it shows how sharp a shark's teeth are. They look very sharp and pointy, don't they? And this picture here, Kindergarten, just shows the shark swimming in the ocean. And do you know that a shark can swim quite fast? So I'm going to use all those ideas in my writing today. I've got my ideas for writing, so now it's time to get started. Although I didn't draw a picture today, I used the pictures to help me think and talk about my message before I write. So girls and boys, I'm here today with the title of my writing, and because it's an informative piece of writing, I've given my writing a title and I've called it Sharks. My first idea, thinking back to my pictures, was that sharks are the largest fish in the sea. So I'm just going to check if that makes sense. Sharks are the largest fish in the sea. Yes, I'm happy with that idea, and I can see the word sharks is already on my writing. So I'm going to start with a capital letter and shh. We need two letters together to make that sound. Shh. And I'm going to change colours for the middle part. Shh. Ah, because those two letters say R together. Shark. I can hear a K on the end, so I'm writing the letter K. And then I'm going to put an S on the end because I don't want it to say shark, I want it to say sharks. Sharks are. Now the word are, I could go to the word card and find, but I'm just noticing that a part of the word shark could help me write the word are. So I'm going to use my hands now to show you the part of the word shark that I need to use in the word are. So I can see that those two letters say are. You might already know the word are. And on the end is a letter E. Sharks are the. You know the. Write it quickly. It's a word we can write nice and quickly. I'm just going to reread. Sharks are the largest. Ooh, what sound can you hear at the start of largest? I can hear, ooh, yes, you're right. So I'm going to write the letter L. Ooh, ah. Yes, I can hear ah, but we need A, ah. Largest. Now the end of that word sharks are the largest fish. Let's say fish slowly, and we're going to write the sounds that we hear. Fish. Say it slowly again with me. Fish. What can you hear at the start of the word fish? I can hear too, so I'm writing the letter F. Ish, like Isabel and Ishan. We need I. Fish. Ooh, which two letters do I need? If you're not sure, you could check the word shark, because sh is at the start of the word shark, and it sh is at the end of the word fish. You're right, S and H. Sharks are the largest fish in. Oh, we can say that slowly and write the sounds. It could be a word you already know. If it is, write it quickly. See if you can beat me. In. We know the. Write it quickly. In the sea. Sea. Now, when I'm writing this sea, I'm thinking about the ocean. That sea. So it's S at the start, E, and we can't hear what's on the end, but it's an A, and that means the ocean, that sea. I'm putting a full stop. Sharks are the largest fish in the sea. So thinking about the next part of my writing, I'm going to talk about sharks having sharp teeth. So I'm not going to start my sentence with sharks because I've already started with sharks here. So I'm going to use the word they. Now I'm going to go to the word card to find the word they. So my job, girls and boys, is to use the word card to find the word they. Have a look, see if you can find it. I'm looking carefully too. Have you found it? I know the word they is in this part of the word card. Have you found it? I have. So they is the word I'm going to use in my writing. So I found they on the word card. Now I'm going to write it, and I'm going to write it with a capital T because they is the first word of my next idea. They have. We're going to say it slowly and write the sounds we hear. Have. And it doesn't look right at the moment, but I'm going to put an E on the end, and now it looks right. They have sharp. Oh, I can hear sh again. Which two letters do I need to write the sh sound? Shh. If you're not sure, go up to sharks and check. I'm going to check. Oh, I think this part of the word says shh. So I need a S and a H. Oh, sharp. Oh, it sounds just like shark, but it's sharp. Let's go back up to sharks and see if we can work out the next part of the word we need. Ah. Yes, you're right. We need the A and the R together because they say ah, sharp. What can you hear on the end? Sharp. Oh, I heard a P, like for Parthenia. They have sharp teeth. Teeth. I know a word that sounds a little bit like the start of teeth. T, C. I think this word can help me write the word teeth. C, T. Oh, it sounds just the same as C, but the first sound is different. T. Teeth. I need now, and we have to poke our tongue out to say that at the end. Teeth. Do you know the two letters that I need? It's like the start of the word the and this. Yes, you're right. It's a T and a H. Teeth. They have sharp teeth. And now I want to add another idea to this sentence, and I'm going to use the word and I know that's a word we know. We're going to write it quickly. See if you can beat me. And did you beat me? They have sharp teeth, and the next idea I'm going to write is how they can swim fast. They're good in the water. They can swim fast. They have sharp teeth and can. Let's say it slowly and write the sounds we can hear. Can. And can swim. Now I know Miss Collymore wrote swim last week. Swim. Let's see if we can say it slowly and write the sounds we can hear. Swim. They have sharp teeth and can swim fast. Fast. What can you hear at the start of the word fast? I heard too, so I'm writing the letter F. Fast. Then there's an A. Fast. And can swim fast. So I've finished my writing today. Now I need to read over it to check. Sharks. Sharks are the largest fish in the sea. They have sharp teeth and can swim fast. Thanks for watching my writing video today. Now remember, when you're doing your writing, you might like to write about sharks like me, or you might like to write about penguins, or you might like to write about something completely different. The most important thing to do in your writing is to do all the things that good writers do. Bye for now.